Chemistry Class 10th, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations. NCERT question number 9. What does one mean by endothermic and exothermic reactions? Exothermic reaction is a reaction in which heat is evolved. Equation is calcium oxide, CaO, when put into water, H2O, gives CaOH whole twice plus heat. Endothermic reaction, a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed. Example, calcium carbonate, when heated, it gives CaO plus CO2. Now, question number 10. Why is respiration considered as an exothermic reaction? We know that exothermic reaction means a chemical reaction in which heat is evolved. Now, in respiration, what happens? That glucose combines with oxygen present in our cells to form carbon dioxide, water, along with release of energy. That is why the respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction. The reaction involved is C6H12O6 aqueous. This is formula of glucose, and it combines with oxygen 6O2 and gives carbon dioxide, water, and release of energy. Now let's take next question. So next question is question number 11. So question number 11 says, why are decomposition reaction called the opposite of combination reaction? So decomposition reaction means a chemical reaction in which reactants breaks into two or more products. So let's take an example. So like CaCO3. If we heat it, it breaks into CaO plus CO2. So here, this is example of a decomposition reaction. And when we talk about combination reaction, it means the reverse process is there. It means two or more reactants combine to form one product. Example, H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. We can balance it. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. So clearly, decomposition reaction is just reverse of or just opposite of combination reaction. In combination reaction, here we observe that there are two reactants and they are giving one product, whereas in decomposition reaction, here there is one reactant which gives two or more products. Here two products are there. Now question number 12. So question number 12 says, write one equation each for decomposition reactions where energy is supplied in form of heat, light, or electricity. So let's take one example of each. So heat, CaCO3, when heated, it gives CO plus CO2. For light, we can take example AgBr, when exposed to sunlight, it gives Ag plus Br2. So we can balance it by putting here 2. So this will also be 2. And third one is that of electricity. So H2O, when electric current is passed, then it gives H2 plus O2. We can balance it by putting 2 here and 2 here. Now one more question. Let's take question number 13. What is difference between displacement and double displacement reaction? As we know, displacement reaction here in displacement reaction, more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its solution, salt solution metal, like Fe plus CuSO4 equals gives FeSO4 equals plus Cu. So here Fe being more reactive has displaced copper from its salt solution. Then there is double displacement reaction. In case of double displacement reaction, there is ionic exchange. We can take some examples. Suppose we have equation like NaCl plus AgNO3. So it will give NaNO3 plus AgCl. Here ionic exchange can be shown like Na single plus, Cl single minus, Ag single plus, NO3 single minus. So Na plus combines with NO3 and Ag plus combines with Cl. Any examples can be given. We are taking another example like suppose we have NaOH plus H2SO4. So here also ionic exchange takes place. So Na2SO4 plus H2O. We can show this ionic exchange Na plus OH minus H single plus SO4 double minus. So what happens? Na combines with SO4 and H plus combines with OH and hence we get the result. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगला क्वेश्चन हम अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय.